Hi, my name is Russ. I'm from ProSteam UK and we offer LVT, cleaning and restoration. And today we have some Amtico luxury vinyl tile that we are going to strip, clean and reseal. So once we've vacuumed everything, we now use our Dr.Schutz stripper to remove the existing seal which is on the LVT using this machine here. Okay, so once the stripper has been applied and scrubbed thoroughly, we then use our extraction machine to then remove the stripper which has been dissolved. Right, so we've stripped the floor, we've washed it, we've rinsed it, and this is what you're left with. It's dried out at the moment, but it's very dull. It looks very dull, and that's exactly what it's supposed to look like. The stripper has removed the existing sealant, and so what we want is a blank canvas, a virgin floor with no sealant on it whatsoever. A perfect base for the sealant we're about to apply. Right, the floor's been stripped and it's almost dry, and we're going to apply the Dr.Schutz matte secure hard seal to this floor, which will give it up to 2 years protection, and it will also achieve a nice low sheen matte finish. The floor's had 2 coats of the Dr.Schutz matte secure hard seal, and it's looking really nice. And this will take 24 hours to completely cure. It's okay to stand on if you have shoe protectors after about an hour and a half, but there you go, looking really nice. It's got a low sheen. This particular sealant will last anywhere between 12 to 18 months or up to 2 years, depending on how it's maintained. So there you go.